is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa. I'm a lawyer with the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. What made my law practice successful? That's the question. And how did God, Jesus Christ, as a Christian, play a role in my success? What were the inspirations throughout my life that made me the man who I am? As a child growing up with his mother, a single parent, obviously there were challenges for her, making me the man that I am. So her love was her example. Her hard work was her example. Her truthfulness and care for people was her example. And she wasn't a church lady, but she prayed. She didn't go to church, but she sent me to church. First the Catholic Church, then the Anglican Church. But she encouraged all her children to go to church, to learn about God, because she thought that the lessons there from the spiritual leaders, from the Book of God, the New Testament, the King James Version, because we have to be specific as a Christian or belonging to a religion, which book you're referring to. And treating people with empathy, and we talk about our clients, is important. The client also has to respect that if you love them, they will show love by paying their legal fees. So love is a two-way street, not a one-way street. And that's one of the areas of law, billing, that I have sometimes issue with. When you show empathy, love, you show brilliance as a legal researcher, advocate, attorney. So you're giving that client professionalism and empathy. So the professionalism that you want from that client is obviously paying their legal bills. Do not be dishonest. Pay your bill. Do not make a promise that you will pay and you don't pay. Don't be given a payment plan and you don't abide by the payment plan. Because if you read your Bible correctly, if you're a Christian, you will understand that not only is it the responsibility of the lawyer to give you a good service, it's the responsibility of the client to make sure that that attorney is paid. The areas of law that I practice in, immigration, bankruptcy, I've done criminal law, civil litigation, all of those areas, when you work on the front line, which I am as a small law firm, you meet a lot of different people with different incomes, different experiences, and different fears that they have for the system. So, for example, immigration clients always have the fear that KKK Russian Trump might be at their door with his ICE officers to escort you out of America. How, as an attorney, do we deal with that fear with our clients? And so it's not just filling out forms, doing legal research, but how do you make clients comfortable in immigration that are victims of abuse under the Violence Against Women Act? How do we help men or women that have been abused by their spouse and to ensure that they get their legal status here in America. Again, these are areas where empathy, love, to remove the fear that people have with the system, with the law, that you have to do as an attorney. So we could quote different verses in the Bible about fear and love, and that's what I like our listenership to do today. You heard my sermon, so to speak, my presentation. Send me a message. Go to www.askthelawyer.us. I'm not going to take phone calls because you guys stay on the phone long and give me a whole sermon. But go to our website, www.askthelawyer.us, and give me comments about today's presentation on Ask Our Pastor, about which areas of the Bible is applicable to what we spoke today. The other areas of law that I spoke about, bankruptcy, matrimonial law, wills, trust, and estate, very important in this pandemic. We are meeting a lot of people. What is their fear? Fear of death. Fear that their children, their spouses, their family members may not be able to provide for themselves. And how do they provide for these people when they are no longer here? So COVID has brought a lot of fear in our community, and these people in our community need a law firm that not only practices law competently, but also that is empathetic. Thank you. Again, give us a call on a legal issue, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845, or visit our website to make an appointment or to give us your biblical quotes, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. If you are a religious leader, a religious fanatic, meaning that, hey, you know your Bible, but you just don't have that degree in theology, or you're not a pastor, priest, rabbi, whatever, give us a call and we could have you as a guest on our program to talk about God, to talk about empathy, and talk about fairness in life. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.